Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset internet settings on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you want to do is just click on your Windows sign, then go to settings. Then from settings, just go to network and internet. Then just at the bottom of the page, you'll find network reset. Just click on this. From here, you need to read the whole thing under network reset, because this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches, and your PC will be restarted. Now, if you don't have a VPN or any other software of that kind, you don't need to worry. But if you do have them, then you need to reinstall them. Then just click on Reset Now. Click on Yes. You're about to be signed out in 5 minutes. Close this and close this. Now, if you wait 5 minutes, Windows will automatically sign you out. But what you can do is just go ahead and restart yourself. And basically, that's how to reset your internet settings in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.